Alrighty, so here we have our ugly looking staircase, and we're going to go ahead and cover this with carpet padding and indoor-outdoor carpet. So the first step is we have to measure the width of the stairs, and bear with me because I'm holding the camera and the tape measure at the same time. So just come across here, and these are 3 feet on the money. So let's go ahead and grab our knife, and we'll head over to some carpet padding, and we'll start shaping out the pad for these stairs. Alrighty, so I gathered up the scrap padding, and typically that's what you'll use to pad your stairs. You don't have to tap into a new roll of padding. Just get all your scraps together, and we're going to shape out some pieces that we can go ahead and install on the steps. So let's check this out. So we got a tape measure, got a knife. We're just going to measure across 3 feet, and the beauty about carpet padding is, whoa, you don't have to be real accurate when you're cutting the pad because you can kind of work with it as you install it. So we're going to cut a 3-foot section here. Now I'm just going to slide down these scraps. We're going to use our first 3-foot section as a template to speed things up. So we got a couple shots here. And then the other thing, if you just have random scrap, it may not be 3 feet wide, but you could use a couple pieces. So this one's only 34 inches, but I could piece that together to get some stairs going. And here's another scrap. You want to get a nice bundle going because your average staircase is going to be 12 to 13 steps. So you want to make sure you have enough diced up to get all those, if not most of them, in your first run, and then just cut any additional ones that you may need to finish out your job. So boom, boom. All right, cool. I am going to set you up at the top of the stairs so you can see how we actually install padding on a staircase. So to install padding on the stairs, you're going to need your slap stapler, hammer stapler, whatever people refer to these as. We call them pad staplers. You're going to need your knife, lots of staples, and your padding. So we already cut them to the width at 3 feet. And these stairs are going to be a custom installation. We're not going to waterfall them, so we just cut right at the edge here. And I'll do a follow-up video with the installation so you can see how we do that. But real simple, just lay your pad out, staple it to the top. Cut off any excess. And then continue down the whole flight till everything's covered. And then we'll go ahead and cut the carpet for the actual installation. Are you still operating and running your business without a website? It's time to go ahead and let the world know you exist. Let's expand your business and your lead capture options and drop by onlineflippingformula.com. Get a 14-day free trial of Lead Pages and expand and grow your business today. It's the easiest drag and drop templates you could possibly use. onlineflippingformula.com.